So I'm starting to lose the light quickly, but I want to see if I can fly my plane while it's snowing. So I've got a golf course here. I normally can't fly there, but it's closed for the winter, so let's give it a try. My last Corsair crashed and burned, but I bought this on eBay used, and it's pretty good. What I did is I sealed all the holes with duct tape, so snow, hopefully too much snow can't get in. The only thing I'm worried about is like short-circuiting the engine. Put duct tape on the holes on the bottom, and taped up the top here so it doesn't pop off. So let's see how it goes. We're going to walk out into the open over there. I don't know if I have enough space to fly, but we'll find out. One nice thing about the snow is when you crash, it's fairly soft, so unless I hit a tree, I don't expect much damage. Anyway, let's give this a shot. Haven't flown in a while, so I'm sure I'm a little rusty. So I'm not going to go all crazy. I've set up the holes so that the plane is slow to react. This Corsair is very quick. Okay, I've heard advice to throw it with your left hand, with your right hand. I don't know what to do. So I'm better throwing it with my right hand. Somebody suggested you should do it with your right hand because if you're right-handed. Okay, so let's give it a shot. Man, it's pulling hard to the left. And it wants to dive. Looks like the wing came off. Pretty cool how it nosedived. You don't see that every day. That is really wedged in there. It's a good thing I sealed the front with duct tape. These, some people have suggested these vent holes on the front of this Corsair allow for air to pass through and cool the ESC, but there's no passage for air to get into the fuselage, so they're just for looks. So sealing them is no big deal. If there's one thing I do right is I make a lot of mistakes. When I connected the rudder and the wing ailerons and the tail flaps, I tested if they worked. What I didn't test is if they were working correctly. Up is up, down is down, left is left, right is right. I think I got lucky that everything worked correctly, but next time I got to remember to test that. I'm going to let this thing dry out overnight, and if it's snowing tomorrow, we'll give another test run while there's more sunlight.